Oh, you live in Exchange? I know people in Exchange.
Really?
Yeah. Do you know Bradley?
Right.
Yeah.
From where you live? In the middle street?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's my bestie.
Yeah?
Yeah. Do you know Jamar?
Yeah,
And Jaquan?
Almost all of them. Yeah.
Yeah. What's your name?
Dave.
Dave. I'm gonna tell them I met Dave.
Yeah, man. I live in middle street, you know?
Yeah. What kind of fish is this? This is so. Oh!
I ain't okay. That's a grunt.
What kind of fish is this?
That grunt.
What if I hold on to him tight and put him in the water?
Get that earth to my way. I ain't dead. You ain't young the pot, you know?
Yeah.
But
Why would God make a fish so ugly?
that's the story.
Why is it so ugly?
Yeah, the rat story.
It does.
The nice story.